Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. And today I just did this like short 16-inch bob. This is from Alipearl, so I have like two Alipearl videos back to back. I did the fluffy baby hair. I told you guys last time in my other video that I was going to try to do the fluffy baby hair. I don't know if I love the tack down of this one. Like, it's okay. These baby hairs I struggled with a little bit. This side, not so much. I don't even know if I showed you how I did this side because it's the same thing each side. But yeah, so this is what I did today. A nice short wig. It's just, I've been wearing a lot of long wigs lately, and I was like, let me just do a short one. And this is like a short black one. It looks kind of short and black. I don't know if it is black or if it's just like the natural brown color. It might just be the natural brown color, but it looks black here. And I did this whole makeup look for you guys. So I'm going to give you the hair video. And if you are like, girl, I want to see the makeup video, I got you. So for most of the video, you're going to see me with like my makeup done. And then at the end, you're going to see like, I didn't put my brows and my lashes on camera. So I did that off camera. And then I came back and just did a lip, which is a little bit different for me. It's a little darker than I would normally have. But anyway, so this is the hair look, and I just wanted to get this up for you guys. So again, this is a 16-inch bob. It is brown lace. It is not HD lace. I did a good job at blending it. I used my normal products, which is my Got To Be glue and my Even spray in the yellow can. I also did my baby hairs, and I used this pink holding spray. I actually did the pink holding spray here, and I haven't done that before, to like flick it up and have this like flick up motion. I think that looks pretty good though, so that worked. Oh, and I found my Nairobi Foam. So if you guys watched my last video, I was talking about my Nairobi Foam. I was like, I need to find it, and I found it. So here we go. So I used this today for my baby hairs, so they're a little bit softer than they would normally be, which is good because I didn't want them too hard. And then this right here, this little flicky, it's not, the fluffy baby hair is not going in the right direction. It's like flipping out, but you know what? We're going to leave it alone because I'm not going to mess with it. And I don't want it to be crunchy, so we're going to leave that there. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know in the comments down below if you want to see this makeup look, because I feel like tomorrow's the last day of February, and I wanted to do a pink look, and I haven't done a pink look in over a year actually. My last pink look was like a year ago. So I wanted to get it up, and this is primarily pink, not really like a pink and red or whatever, but if you want to see it, let me know and comment down below. And that's it, guys. Thank you. That's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. All right, guys. So welcome back. And as you know, right now I'm about to start plucking my hair. So I am just taking my tweezers, and I am parting the hair at the hairline and just plucking behind the hairline. And for this, I just go throughout the head on the front, the sides, and I go through each part and pluck it. So you're going to see me doing that. You're also going to see me take a hot comb and just comb through the hair. Again, whenever I pluck my hair, it's always on dry hair. And this is a tip that I learned on how you actually are supposed to pluck your wigs. Now, when I'm done plucking, I go in with my hot comb and I go throughout the entire head to see what it's going to look like. And the reason that you do this on dry hair is because you want to actually see what your hairline is going to look like when everything is finished. So this is after I plucked, and I'm just putting it on my I'm putting it on my hairline to see what it's going to look like. I'm taking my scissors right here, and I'm just starting to cut the lace. And this has been my new go-to way to install my wigs. I actually put my lace on, or cut my lace off before I actually install the wig. So I'm just seeing if it fits my hair, and it does. It fits it perfectly. I cut off my ear tabs on a separate part. I didn't show you guys that. All right, so now I'm just going to take this razor, and I am just going to cut at the hairline. I did end up cutting a little bit more at the hairline just because it was a little bit low, and I didn't want my hairline to be too low. So I am taking this razor. This is like an eyebrow razor. It's definitely an essential for any type of wig person. And it gives you that like jagged edge for your hairline, so it's not like a perfectly round edge. I'm going and I'm clipping the hair back, so I make sure not to cut any of the hair while I am taking that eyebrow razor and just cutting off the lace. Make sure you take your time because you don't want to cut off too much lace. This is always difficult, even for me. So I still struggle with this, and I want to make sure that just take your time with this. You don't have to rush. Make sure you cut all that lace off, and make sure you don't cut too much lace off, because then it'll be like, basically it won't fit your head. It'll be too short. So I had a little piece right here. I just cut it off at the beginning of the hairline. And now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses. I believe I am in the shade 12. And I put this all over the wig, or all inside of the wig. And then I placed it on my wig cap as well, so it has like a seamless match. And now once I line it up, I'm going in with my go-tos, which is my Got To Be gel. This is the yellow kind. I always put this on. I think for this install, I only put on 1 layer of Got To Be glue, maybe 2. So I put this on my wig installs. Whenever I install them, it's always about like a week-long wig install. So I know when I install my wigs, either on Saturday or Sunday, that I'm going to have it on until at least the next Saturday or Sunday. So I place this all over my head, and then I'm just kind of pressing it into my scalp. Now lately my sides have not been tacked down like at all with the Got To Be gel. So I've been going in with this Kiss glue, and this is the Almighty Bond lace front wig glue. It has 2 sides, and I love it because the one side is like a precision tip and the other side has like a flat surface that you can lay your wigs down with. But right here you see me taking the back of a rat tail comb and just placing that down. And then I'm going to go in, make sure it's a little bit dry, because otherwise again it'll be like a messy install. And I'm using my comb to just try to tack down that side, and I'm going to my other side, and I'm going to do the same exact thing using that Kiss glue, just making sure that I place this on my ear tabs, because this is the hardest part for me to actually glue down. Now after I take this is like a little fan. You do not need to do this, and I'm trying to actually glue the sides down again, making sure that it's dry before I put my elastic band on. And I'm going in and just parting my hair, trying to make a deep side part, because this is the look I was going for. And that was my Cura Care wax stick. And then I'm taking my hot comb and then trying to make this as flat as possible. A little bit later on, I actually decided to part that actual area where it's like the flip over, and basically hot comb each part so it gets even flatter. I saw that the front of my hairline was still not glued down or tacked down, so I went back in with that Kiss glue, and then I'm taking the even spray in yellow, and I'm just spraying on my actual hairline. I'm putting my elastic band back on, and I hot combed a little bit more, and now it is time for some curls. So I went in and I started curling my hair, and then I was like, I want to actually cut layers into my hair. This was the first time, y'all, that I ever cut layers in my hair. So I'm taking that same like eyebrow razor and just going in with different pieces and trying to cut layers, like what I think the layer should look like, because I really have no idea. And then I'm going back in with this, I think this is a Conair curling iron, and it's supposed to be like the Babyliss Pro curling iron. And I'm curling my hair in 2 different directions. Now this is a tutorial I learned from Fatima Bay. And I will put her in her, I guess, tutorial down below. And she learned it from someone else, so I don't even know who that's from, so I can put both down below. So yeah, basically I'm just curling my hair, doing like a curling tutorial, curling it to my face or towards my face and then away from my face. And this actually was pretty quick, so it took about 15 minutes. And then you see me actually hot combing again and separating that part like I said I would do before, and going in and just using the hot comb to make it even flatter. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. Going back in and making sure the curls are like perfected if anyone got messed up. And just taking my time and curling everything so it looks seamless. So this look didn't take long at all once I installed it and actually started curling everything. Once I took off my elastic band, I was like, all right, that wasn't too bad. And then I'm going in with my baby hairs. So for these baby hairs, I'm just hot combing them to make sure they lay flat. I'm cutting them with my razor again. I'm curling them up with my little pencil curler, using some mousse and making sure to slick that down. And then I used my razor again to cut the longer baby hairs. And I got the fluffy baby hairs that I wanted for this install. So then I just put a little bit of mousse to make that lay a little bit flatter. And then I used my pink moisturizing lotion, a spray. It's like a spritz, to lay my baby hairs down. And now I'm going in with a concealer that's like a shade or 2 lighter than my skin, and putting that in my part so the part looks clean. For my flip over in the front, I actually used that pink hairspray with my edge control brush, and I loved it. Now I'm going in with a shade darker than my skin and just trying to make sure I blend in the lace, and that will complete this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.